How we doing today? So I thought we'd have a little bit of fun and we'd use some scientific ratios that I pulled up to try to determine the height of the individual that made these footprints that we casted. So I encourage you to do your own research, but what I found was from the University of Rhode Island, their Department of Biomedical Engineering, said that ratio, foot ratio to height ratio, would be 6.6.1. So that translates to every inch of a person's foot, you times it by 6.6, and that will give you the height of the individual. Now these particular casts were 19 inches. That would put this individual at 10'4", which I don't have the height to make a model to get a visual. So I'm going to use 18 inches. I want to go smaller than what we have here. An 18-inch footprint puts the individual using that ratio at 9'9". Well, I can do that. I can make kind of a scale so you can kind of see what that would look like. So we're kind of adding some features here so we can all kind of get a visual of what this individual would look like. Now I had to add the cowboy hat on it to get the right height. So with the cowboy hat on, it is exactly 9'9". That is what scientific data is telling us off of those casts right there. You have an individual that is 9'9" tall. Eyewitnesses said it was black as black. So there you go. And you know, a lot of eyewitness reports say, you know, the shoulders were 4 foot wide, 5 foot wide. I went with 3 foot, just trying to get a real down to earth scale without exaggerating anything. So we're actually using a smaller print than what we have, putting a person at 9'9" with 3 foot wide shoulders. That's what you're going to be looking at. And then you can scale it. This person, you see the door behind it, behind the model, it's 7 foot tall. So it kind of helps you see scale. And then if I was walking through the woods, from my perspective, and saw this individual, that's what I would be looking at. It's using their data. That is an impressive individual. So anyway, remember those ratios, 6.6.1. When you find casts, you can use that to determine the height of the individual. So there you go. Y'all take care.